Come and see me, girl. Won't you believe me, girl? That only you can change me. I'm hitting up your phone cause I know you still love me. I know that my mistakes were bad, I know they changed me. I'm just asking for forgiveness, I hope you're not regretful.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new considering it is only my second video. I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick collection today. There's 14 shades in the whole collection. I'm only going to be swatching 11 today. They retail for £16, which I think is really good. There's a range of shades from nudes to deep purples and browns. This bright blue, obviously. There's a dark green. So yeah, carry on watching to see my thoughts on the collection.
Talk about your ex a lot. That man ain't competition. Spoke to your sis last weekend. She said he always tripping. It's cool though, you're here with me.
I'm not a massive fan of this particular shade. It's really quite pale on me, but I feel like on fairer skin tones and even like really deep skin tones it would actually look really cool, but I'm at that like awkward in between where it just doesn't look that great on me. Excuse my messy application, but this is one of my favourite colours in the whole collection. It's such a unique shade, and I feel like maybe it's because I don't have one like this in my collection of lipsticks, but it's like a nice like burnt orange, and I feel like I've seen it on quite a lot of different skin tones and it just looks amazing on everyone, so highly recommend.
Baby girl, you know I gotta see you. The family, they dying to meet you. Don't you see me trying to hit your phone?
So I do really love this colour. It's quite similar to the Stunner Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty. Although I love this colour, I would say stick with the Stunner Lip Paint because it's guaranteed to last, and I know that these transfer, and I just find that a lot easier to apply.
Baby girl, I know how you feel. I just wanna take you out right now. Yeah.
I actually really love this shade. I felt like it went on really creamy and glided on, and this is definitely yes. I do love wearing like browny kind of shades, but this one's more unique. I feel like it's got a bit of a red undertone in it, which I actually really like. I feel like it's slightly more subtle than when I'd wear another one of my brown lipsticks. It's a bit more wearable. I feel like if you're scared of wearing a dark lip or a brown lip or anything a bit more out there, then this is definitely a great alternative. Yeah, I love it.
Talk about your ex a lot. That man ain't competition. Spoke to your sister.
So I didn't think I'd like this one that much because obviously it's a little bit out there, but I really like it in a weird way. Like, it's not for everyday use, but I think like every now and again, like maybe on a night out or definitely to a festival, like this is perfect for a festival or a concert or whatever. But I do actually really like it, and I found that this one, unlike Madame, which was the red shade, goes on way creamier and the texture just feels really comfortable, and I felt like it went on easier because of that. Like, it literally like glided, is that what? It literally like glided on, and I definitely love this one. This one's definitely the scariest one out of them all, like, in my opinion anyway. I do quite like it. I have worn it before and I got quite a few compliments on it, to my surprise. I mean, I've seen it on deep skin tones and it looked amazing, and well, actually a mix of skin tones it looks amazing, but I guess because I'm not used to wearing it, for me it's quite scary. But I don't know, I might give it another go, see how, you know, again, I think it's quite good for a night out, not a day-to-day look. Well, you can obviously, but personally for me, I wouldn't wear it day-to-day. So this one has had a lot of talk about the name PMS, which I think's bloody hilarious. But I do really love this colour. So this is a really, really dark brown. It's almost black, but it's got hints of purple in it. It's really, really unique, and I do really love it, but I'd have to say, well, my application's getting worse as time goes on throughout this video anyway, but it would probably need a lip liner to make it really like sharp, I guess, and just really clean. Or you can obviously use a concealer, which I haven't used at this, like, for this application, to clean around the edges, but I do think a lip liner would provide the best application. But I do really love this one. I'm so obsessed with this shade. It's so unique. I would probably, I know not everyone will, but I'd probably wear it on an everyday basis. Like, I've worn it to work before, and I just absolutely love it. The formula's amazing. Again, I had to clean around the edge because I hadn't had to do it in the past, but I think it's because I've become a bit lazy after doing all those lip swatches, so it's a bit of a hot mess. But like, yeah, this is like one of my favourite shades. Overall, I think that these are amazing quality. They retail for £16, which I don't think is bad at all. I know obviously some liquid lipsticks, for example, retail for about £21, so 16 in comparison is actually really good. I know it's not as cheap as drugstore prices, however I do think that the quality on this really shows, and it is really worth the money. They're really creamy, they apply really easily, they literally glide on, and if I had to pick out of the whole collection my favourite shades, I would pick Your Dig, Clapback, and it's difficult, maybe Spanked or Freckle Fiesta. For me, they've really stood out and are really different to other things in my collection. So yeah, 100% recommend, or at least going into Harvey Nichols and trying them out, like swatching them. I think you'll really see the amazing payoff that they give and how pigmented they really are. I'm going to put a link down below of where to buy them from. Although I haven't reviewed all shades here today, there are 14 shades in the collection, and definitely a shade for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm still very new on YouTube, so I'm getting used to the whole filming thing and it can be a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm really enjoying it. So it'd be really good if you could show some love by subscribing and liking the video to, you know, show me that you like it, and I'll keep on doing these kind of videos for you guys. If you could please comment down below, or if you want to comment on my Instagram, it's at Ellie B Foster, it's in the description bar below, on what kind of other videos you'd like to see. That would be amazing, because I'd love to do something different for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I feel like it makes me look, you know, slightly less like a corpse. No, what's that? So let's get on with the video. Got a bit of a cheeky name, Spanked, but can you redo that? And that made no sense. No, you don't agree? This one? Ah. Is it recording?